Roses and Lace Artful Card Kit is a brand new Artful Card Kit, and I'm so happy to show it to you. The papers are 8.5 by 11, and as you can see on the insert, there are 8 of them. There are also 27 cutouts and 35 die cuts. Wow, that's spectacular. And on the insert, you're going to get 4 cards to kind of help jumpstart your creativity. But let me show you the papers and the die cuts. The papers are gorgeous. They are single-sided, as you can see. This is the one that has the most art on it, but these all have all-over patterns that are going to coordinate beautifully with those die cuts. And here we go. More and more. Nice to have this kind of textured looking black as well as the purple with tiles. And we've got a dot. Now these are the cutouts, and as I said, there are 27 of them. They are easy to cut out, as you can see. Some are left blank so that if you want a computer journal or stamp, you can certainly do that. Others are just going to give you a lot of variety of greetings and thoughts for your cards. Then we have 35 die cuts, and the die cuts are nested, so some of them will just be one shape, but sometimes you're going to have 2 shapes like this one where there's a frame and then this piece. You see that nice long border? You can cut it however you want. Many of them have greetings. Some are intentionally left without words on them in case you want to use dazzles, or maybe you want a stamp, or perhaps computer journal. All of that is available to you. And here is the second one. You can see happy birthday, grateful, smile, miss you, hello friend, lots of beautiful messages. Now, in addition, as I said, there are 4 ideas, and I thought I'd show them to you up close and personal. We can get a little bit closer and you'll get a better look at them. So this, as you can see, has one of the frames turned on point, so it looks like a diamond. Then the inside has been foam taped on top. We couldn't resist having one of the die cuts right there, and we've added some jewel dazzles just to give a little extra shine, and a bit of ribbon too. This card, what's really nice is that you can use any message you want. In this case, the deepest sympathy is one of the cutouts. You see how the edge of that is white? Well, that's because it was sanded, so you can lightly sand it. These leaves are from the Flowers for Our Foliage chipboard, but you can use silk leaves or anything that you want. Layering some of the die cuts is very fun to do with foam tape, and you can see how that border was matted on one of the papers, and those corner treatments just finish the whole thing off. We like to add ribbon whenever we can. This is from our triple step card, and usually we think of it this way, but the designer decided to turn it this way, and don't those die cuts just fit perfectly? Now that rose and these pieces, those are dazzles, so you can add them if you like. It just does a great job. And the 4th card is really showing how you can mix some of the papers and then take one of the frames and do one of the die cuts across it. Add that with foam tape, the little hello friend there, and adding some dazzles, both the border dazzles and some of our flower dazzles. So many options come with these Artful Card Kits, and it's just really nice to have everything in one package, ready to go and ready to get started. Just add your blank cards and you're ready.